So today we've got a 2016 Hyundai i20 with 80,000 miles on the clock. So on the dashboard of this car you can see the spanner light flashing there. It's overdue a service. You can see the mileage minus 13,605. So once you've done an oil and filter change and a service, you need to reset that, and I'll show you how that's done. So you're going to need it on the display where the spanner is showing. If it isn't, just use this trip button and it cycles round all the different things you can look at until the spanner light comes on. There it is. Next you'll need to use this reset button. So you just need to hold this down. It should do something. Then let it go, hold it down again, and it's reset. So you can see there 10,000 miles, which means another 10,000 miles when it's due an oil and filter change or a service, that will ping back up. So hopefully that will help a few of you out. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.